morning everyone, or good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Today I'm sharing with you my morning cleaning routine, but my morning isolation / quarantine, whatever, cleaning routine. Obviously it is different from my normal cleaning routine just because of, obviously, no school, everything's a little bit different at the moment. So to start with, I'm just waking myself up, splashing some water on my face, brushing my teeth, and getting ready for the day. Once I've done that, I'm just going to give the sink a quick wipe over, ready for whoever uses the bathroom next. I don't know about anybody else, but at the moment, with all the washing of my hands, they are so dry. So in the morning I smother them with some oil or lotion, whatever, just to keep them really moisturized, because I do suffer from eczema as well. Okay, so to start with, I need to have my morning coffee, so that is what I'm doing in my lovely little camper van cup that I have here. Absolutely love those camper vans, they're so cute. So I drink my coffee and it's now to start cleaning. So as you can see, it's not too bad because I probably did a bit of a tidy up last night as well. So here we go, straight into the cleaning. Okay, so to start with, as usual, I put away any dry dishes from the night before. So that's what I'm doing now. Once all those dishes are put away, it's time to get my gloves on and start washing up. I'm just wiping over the kitchen counter. To be honest, it wasn't too bad today, as I said in the beginning, so I'm just using some anti-bac wipes just to wipe over the counter and obviously the handles, just to make everything nice and clean. But obviously it wasn't like really grubby or anything, so it didn't require loads of scrubbing. So yeah, I just chose to use the anti-bac wipes instead. nice clean kitchen. I don't know about anybody else, but having a nice clean kitchen is just, for me, it just makes me feel so much happier. I don't know why, it's just my kitchen has to be clean. Okay, so I'm now going to move on to the hallway and just do a quick dust and tidy up in here. Don't mind me being nosy looking out the window. We all do it. So I'm doing a dust here today. I wouldn't do this every single morning, but I guess I had a little bit more time this morning as the kitchen wasn't too bad, so I had a little bit more time to do a bit more before the girls woke up. Moving on to our downstairs toilet. This is definitely something that I would clean most mornings, not every morning, but definitely most. Again, the mirrors and the pictures and things, obviously I'm not going to clean that every single morning, but probably at least once a week, because the girls tend to splash their hands over the mirrors and things, so it does usually have splash marks on there, so I do clean it at least once a week. A lovely clean downstairs bathroom. I can see that I've forgotten to put the yellow mat back down on the floor. It's still hanging off the radiator over there, but yeah, that should be on the floor right now. And now moving on to the living room. So probably the most untidy room at the moment. The toys all over the place. So I'm going to obviously tidy up that first. I'm just trying to show you here that the mirrors, sorry not the mirrors, the windows are a bit sticky. That's where the girls' hands usually are, so that needs a wipe over as well. So yeah, as you can see, first thing I'm doing is just tidying up the toys. So we have this trunk here in the corner, which is supposed to be a storage box thing here for the girls' toys, but it just slowly seemed to gather more and more toys in the living room until obviously they can't all fit inside that storage unit anymore. So yeah, some of the toys I had to bring upstairs, but it's kind of overflowing now. So wiping this coffee table is obviously something that I do a few times a day because it gets really messy. So I'm just doing a quick wipe down of the dining table. It wasn't really too bad, so I'm just using one of those Windowline glass cleaning wipes, which do a good job. Okay, so that brings me to the end of my power hour morning clean routine. I'm not going to hoover this morning just because the girls are still asleep. I might do it later on in the day. Thanks for watching. Bye.